Okay, we've been asked to repair this metal section, this coil metal that's used in this EPDM area here. And this has been damaged due to hail. And so the problem that we're going to run into is by removing this metal, you have to remove or peel away this rubber, which damages the rubber. Like there's not a way to remove this seal on this metal without damaging the rubber. So we're essentially forced to replace all of this rubber area here. By replacing the rubber area here, it goes underneath the shingle here, and we need shingles for this area here. And then it gets into the repairability of that. We have a hip here that comes down to the rubber area. All of this is going to explode with problems if we don't identify it ahead of time and assess if this can even be done, if it's even possible. So it gets into a ridge right here, but really I'm most concerned about how it gets tucked underneath the shingle and then into this hip right here as well. So it really calls into question if the shingle can be repairable. A previous repair done to me has proven that it is not. And then also my repair here has shown creasing and problems, granular loss around that box vent that I repaired. So there's other EPDM sections below and various metal objects that need to be replaced there, but this is the most difficult one to do if this above area is not considered, and replacing all of this rubber is not considered either, because it's not as simple as just peeling this off. It can't be done. So just hear me out on that, and we'll be sending the video shortly. Thank you very much. Bye.